Hello everyone, welcome back to the Johnathan Software tutorial channel. In today's video, I will be guiding you step by step on how to grab Facebook accounts using the MaxCareSoftware, helping your account stay stable, act laterally, and reduce the risk of checkpoints. First, you need to have the MaxCareSoftware. If you don't have it yet, feel free to contact me through the information provided in the video description for detailed support. The software is packed with many powerful and useful features. 1. Manage and run up multiple accounts. Manage hundreds of Facebook accounts on a single platform. Keep accounts stable, reduce checkpoint risk, and maximum time and operation cost efficiently. 2. Automated Facebook interactions. Automatically view, like, comment, share, and message, add friend, and join group. Many helping to generate real interaction, increase account trust, and continuously reach potential customers. Third, automatic IP rotation. Automatically change IPs for each account, avoid IP duplication, reduce checkpoint risk, and ensure safety when manage accounts at scale. One of the most effective accounting grooming tasks is adding friends by UID. First, you need to configure and set up some basic parameters. I will guide you step by step through the entire process, so you don't need to worry. Once the step up is complete, you simply let the software run automatically, and the system will carry out the task in a stable and efficient manner. Thank you for watching until the end of video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment to support the channel. Thank you all, and see you later in the next video.